The air is thick with the scent of simmering spices, turmeric, and sandalwood, and the soft murmur of women sharing secrets. In the heart of a South Indian village, nestled among rolling hills and fields of emerald green, the women are preparing for an upcoming festival. And their tradition calls for special care, natural care. Bowls are filled with age-old remedies, each one a testament to nature's bounty. And one key ingredient that keeps finding its way into these mixtures is the humble tomato. Welcome to our channel, where we blend ancient wisdom with modern insight. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a tradition that has stood the test of time, the tomato face scrub. This unassuming fruit has been more than just a culinary delight for centuries. It's been a secret weapon in the quest for radiant skin. From the sun-kissed shores of the Mediterranean to the vibrant streets of India, women have whispered down the ages the benefits of the tomato. And now we're here to explore why this simple fruit has earned its place in history. Have you ever marveled at the flawless complexions of women from the Mediterranean and wondered about their age-old secrets? Picture yourself strolling through a bustling market in Greece or Italy, where the air is filled with the aroma of fresh basil and the laughter of vendors. Amidst the vibrant colors and enticing wares, you spot a group of women with skin that seems to glow from within. Their secret? A simple yet powerful one, the tomato. These women have long understood the unique properties of this juicy red fruit. For centuries, they've incorporated tomatoes into their daily routines, harnessing their natural beauty benefits. And you're about to discover exactly why the tomato has held such a prominent place in their beauty rituals. But it's not just in the Mediterranean. Across the world, in India, the tomato has found a special place in traditional skincare. Imagine a warm evening in a South Indian village where the sky is painted with hues of orange and purple. Inside a courtyard, women are gathering for their nightly rituals, and the humble tomato is often part of their routine. These women, deeply connected to their cultural heritage, have passed down the use of tomato from generation to generation. And the reasons behind this practice are as diverse as the women themselves. Now, let us unravel the secrets of Indian households and uncover the myriad ways tomatoes have been used to enhance skin health. But hold on a moment. Before we delve deeper into the heart of these traditions, let's take a moment to look at the science behind it all. What makes the tomato such a powerhouse of natural beauty? Picture a bright red tomato, juicy and ripe, bursting with flavor and nutrients. Now, close your eyes and imagine biting into it. That vibrant color isn't just pleasing to the eye. It holds a wealth of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that are key to understanding the tomato's beauty benefits. At the core of it all is lycopene, a carotenoid, and the reason for that striking red hue. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the skin against harmful free radicals. Free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage skin cells and contribute to premature aging. By neutralizing these aggressors, lycopene helps maintain the skin's health and youthful appearance. But that's not all. Lycopene also plays a role in sun protection, shielding the skin from the damaging effects of UV radiation. Isn't it fascinating how something so simple and readily available can offer such potent benefits? But wait, there's more. Tomatoes are also a rich source of vitamin C, a key player in skin, brightening, and collagen synthesis. Vitamin C aids in fading dark spots and uneven skin tone, leaving your complexion more radiant. It's like having a personal skin brightener right at your fingertips. And let's not forget about the mild acidity of tomatoes. This unique characteristic gives them gentle exfoliating properties. Regular use can help reveal brighter, smoother skin by removing dead skin cells and revealing the fresh, radiant skin underneath. As we delve deeper into the heart of India, we encounter a society rich in age-old customs and natural remedies. And in this context, the tomato shines as a beacon of simplicity and efficacy. Imagine walking into a traditional Indian household where the aroma of spices mingles with the warmth of hospitality. The women here are not just housewives. They are keepers of age-old traditions, and their knowledge of natural beauty is unparalleled. In many South Indian families, the tomato finds its place in this rich tapestry of customs. During festivals and special occasions, the women often adorn themselves with homemade face masks and scrubs, and the tomato is a frequent guest. Its natural ability to brighten and rejuvenate the skin makes it an ideal ingredient for these celebratory rituals. It's not just about enhancing their beauty, it's about feeling connected to their roots and honoring their cultural heritage. But the benefits of the tomato don't end at the surface. They extend deep into the layers where skin health is nurtured and toxins are banished. The lymphatic system, a vital part of our body's defense mechanism, relies on these tiny warriors called lymphocytes to identify and eliminate harmful invaders. These tiny cells patrol our body, identifying and neutralizing threats ranging from bacteria to toxins. But sometimes these vigilant defenders need our support, especially when they're confronted with cellular debris or excess fluid buildup. This is where the humble tomato steps in with its natural diuretic properties. Think of the tomato as a silent guardian, working behind the scenes to support your body's detoxification process. When consumed regularly, it can help flush out toxins, reduce swelling, and promote healthy lymphatic flow. This means not only does your skin get a natural cleanse from the inside out, but your entire body experiences a boost in its defense mechanism. Isn't it amazing how a simple addition to your diet can have such far-reaching effects? It is important to note that while these traditional uses are incredibly intriguing and often backed by anecdotal evidence, scientific research is still catching up. The world of natural remedies is vast, and while studies are ongoing, the essence of these practices remains. They offer a glimpse into a world where nature as bounty is celebrated and the human body is treated with holistic care. So the next time you reach for a tomato, whether to add to your salad or to craft a natural beauty treatment, remember you're tapping into a legacy of knowledge that has stood the test of time. This unassuming fruit, cherished for its taste and its beauty benefits, offers a reminder of the profound connection between nature, tradition, and our well-being. In conclusion, the tomato face scrub is more than just a beauty trend. It's a journey through time, a testament to the wisdom of generations past, and a celebration of nature's simple gifts. From the Mediterranean shores to the Indian subcontinent, the tomato has secured its place as a symbol of natural beauty. And as we continue to explore the world of holistic wellness, it's important to remember that sometimes the most effective solutions are hidden in plain sight. The key, as it often is, lies in balance. Tomatoes, like any potent ingredient, should be used judiciously. Those with sensitive skin might want to proceed with caution and consult with experts when in doubt. And here, as to embracing the age-old wisdom that has kept the tomato in our kitchens and on our faces for centuries. You've listened to stories, uncovered science, and discovered the traditional uses of the tomato. Now it's time to ask, what will you do next? Will you incorporate this humble fruit into your skincare routine? Or perhaps you'll start looking at tomatoes in your meals in a new light. Your actions, big or small, are the next chapter in the story of the tomato. So go on, make your move, and let the story continue. And if you enjoyed this episode, please like and share for more insightful health and wellness stories. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy,